Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a makeup. So I'm starting off by moisturizing my skin just to keep my skin soft and to prepare for the makeup. And the second thing that I'm going to do is to apply my primer from Maybelline, and that's the primer that I'm using because I've got an oily skin, so I'm using a matte primer. So I'm just applying, as you can see there, I have got my Essence brow gel. I'm just brushing them up, and then after brushing them up, I'm pressing them down with the tip of the eyebrow so that they stay up. After that, I'm just applying this white press powder just to mattify the eyebrows. I don't really like them shiny. I'm using the brown pencil from Black Opal. I love my eyebrows to be brown because brown, it's just natural on my skin. And then I'm just using a spoolie. I'm using a spoolie just to brush my eyebrows up, and using a camouflage concealer from Essence just on the tail of my eyebrows to clean them up. And then I'm just going to use the color of my foundation on the inner corner of my eyebrows just to clean them, and also it's also easier for me to blend when I'm blending. So I'm going in with the same foundation color that I use on the inner corner of my eyes just to clean my eyebrows on top. And I'm going in again with a fluffy brush just to blend the eyebrows, just to blend them so that I can start applying the eyeshadow. So yeah, and I'm using this small fluffy brush, the small eyeshadow brush, to apply this dark color on the outer corner of the eye. As you can see, I'm applying it from the outer corner going in, and I'm just using that light color on top of the black just to blend it again, just to make it more look cleaner, make it more neater. I'm just going in again with the lighter concealer where I'm going to apply my lighter eyeshadow. So I'm choosing the pink color and then I'm using that small fluffy brush to apply my pink eyeshadow. So yeah, as you can see, I'm applying my pink eyeshadow where I just apply the lighter concealer. I'm going in again with the same brush that I used to apply the dark color before. So I'm just blending those two colors together just to make it look more cleaner. So I'm just using a foundation to clean up my eyeshadow with a small flat brush and liquid liner on my eyes so that I can be ready to apply my eyelashes. And then after that, I'm just gonna apply my mascara from Essence just to remove all the eyeshadow, the dust and everything on the eye, so that when we apply the lashes, it looks more nicer and cleaner. That's the hydrating spray from Essence. Just spraying it on my face just to prepare for the makeup. I'm using a flat brush to apply the foundation on my face. As you can see, that brush, you can only use it to apply, not to blend. So I'm using also the foundation from Essence. It's a very good foundation. So now I'm blending my foundation with a flat foundation brush. That's the brush that I love to use. If you have a beauty blender, you can also use that. That's the contour from Essence, a 2 shades darker than your skin tone. That's the color that I'm using. And also that's the concealer 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. I'm just applying under my eyes. As you can see, the placement for the contour and the placement for the concealer. So I'm just applying, as you can see, and then I'm going to be blending those 2 colors together using a brush. If you have a beauty blender as well, just use it because it's just the same. Going in, blending the contour on under my cheekbones and my jawlines, and then on my forehead. As you can see, guys, the contour is blended. Now I'm going in again with another brush just to blend my concealer under my eyes and forehead, nose, and under my nose. And as you can see, guys, the concealer is blended and the contour, we already blend it again. After blending, you just have to set your contour and your concealer. So I'm going to be using Essence translucent powder. That one is the one that I'm going to use under my eyes. So I'm just applying it under my eyes, guys, as you can see. And also to set all the places that we applied the concealer. That's what we are doing right now. Right now, I'm going to powder my face. That's the color that I use for my face. I'm just going to powder all over my face. And then that's my blush. I'm just going to apply the blush on my cheekbones. And that's the color that I'm doing, a light pink. And then under my eyes, I'm just going to apply the black. And then after that, I'll be applying my eyelashes with an eyelash glue. So I'm just sticking them up right now. And I'm using my lip liner, a brown lip liner. That's the one that I'm using. So you have to apply your lip liner before you apply the lipstick. Applying the lip liner, it helps so that your lipstick that you're going to apply there doesn't look like it's bleeding. So those are the lip colors that I just did now, and the lip gloss on top just to make it shiny. I'm going in with the highlighter, just like a light gold, just to make my cheeks shiny and my nose shiny as well. So that's why you can see, guys, I'm shiny. That's the setting spray, just to set all the makeup, and also it helps it to last longer. So yeah, that's the makeup, guys, for today. I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I really appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.